2, 3, funk it.
Yourself apart to entertain like me. Just pour that motherfucker down the drain like me. Just pour that motherfucker down the drain like me. Just pour that motherfucker down the drain like me. Would you use your water bill to try to stain like me?
To bubble a little bit, we give it a flip, and it should be nice and golden brown on the other side. And then you can stack them up while they're still piping hot. And I like to add some butter on the top. I love, and a drizzle of maple syrup, of course. And these make the most indulgent breakfast, and they're super quick and easy to make. And if you put in the blueberries and the flax meal, they're actually pretty healthy for you.
All right, let's do this. Let's get it popping. Making some oat flour. I apologize for the noise. Voila, you got some oat flour. I got this from Costco, $25. What the frack? But this is the good shit, okay? We didn't get imitation vanilla this time. She's pure. Whew. La vanilla. Oopsie. It says to add sugar, but I'm not gonna do that. What do we need sugar for? The toppings are gonna be sweet enough, you know. A little cinnamon in there. Can't go wrong with cinnamon. Hi-ya, hot. Boobies. Oh no. Should have left it alone. I'm impatient. I'm hungry. These don't look like the video. I want my money back. Yeah, that looks good. Put that back. I thought, stupid pancakes. What I was trying to say is I thought this was gonna be a quick breakfast. It's taken a long time. Now I've been burned. It's not really a good time. Not a good time. Hey, you get back there. Good. I realize now I did not use enough baking powder. I was supposed to use 1 tablespoon, not 1 teaspoon. And she doesn't have a lot of flavor, so I'm gonna add some peanut butter. Throw that on there because everything is better with peanut butter. Yes, it is. That's better. Hello, my beautiful friends. It is I. Now, breakfast was a fail. Like I said, they didn't have any flavor. My toppings, thankfully, kind of somewhat saved it. But my lunch, inspired by the Miss Tabitha Brown right here, was the highlight of this whole day.
When I really experienced real Mexican food, I was like, oh, honey, I got some years of catching up to do. So anywho, that's my business, and I can do that if I want to. A little sweet with some heat to, meat party in the middle. You better rhyme, girl. Did you catch that?
I didn't follow her recipe exactly because I didn't have all of the same ingredients, but I made do with what I had, and the result was fantastic. Homemade tortillas. So we're gonna go into the air fryer so they can get a little crispy. We've got our crispy sweet potatoes, some black beans. I don't know if carrots belong on this, but we're just gonna throw it in. Why not? Carrots want to be invited to the party. I'm gonna put some on the side. Get the little veggies on here. I have so many tomatoes, so they need to be eaten. Doesn't really go with this, but they're going. Cabbage on there. Everyone just get on. Join the party. And last but not least, can't forget avocado. Oh my goodness. Ah. Fire! Oh, sorry, pardon me. Fire. Oh yeah, I love her. Tortillas are the best. The best. Back and biceps. I feel like this is gonna be a good one because she's a shit. Sydney Cummings, she is wonderful. Excuse me, sir. That's my workout area. Your bed is over there. Jackson, I gotta use that spot. He's unbothered. Heard someone had tickets to the gun show. Oh, that hurt.
Started with a quick warm up, okay? Let's go big open arm swings in 2, 1, here we go. If you can. 2, 1, let's go. With your back arrest on the next exercise. Full grip here with this hammer curl. Last round, let's go up.
Leave me alone.
Let's go. 1 and 2, again, pulling. There you go, right back to that hip. If you can go up, front of your body. Nice strong wrists. This last round should not be easy. Good, give me just one more. 2, 1, hands out to the side. Okay, so there's a transition here.
She's
Might as well
strong.
push myself, right?
Yeah, girl.
3, 2, back down. Great job. This is our finisher.
Hard.
Roll it over with your right hand. That was a little bit forward. So a little diagonal.
Am I ripped? I've never really checked out my back before. Can't see back there, you know. Next, I love doing HIIT. I love to sweat. So we are gonna do this. Chloe Ting.
Hey everyone, welcome back to
girl.
the 2019 Summer Shred Challenge. Go out there who needs a body, needs motivation, so do share your progress in the comments and use my hashtag. Today's workout is a 50.
Bitch. He done scared the bejesus out of me. This is our downstairs area, that's why it looks all crazy. And there's always a lot of spiders. There's less because we're down here more, but they be popping up now and then. There's a buggy fix. I gotta do it. I gotta use the weight. Oh! 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 Oh my god! Is he dead? Are you dead? Die! Die! Ah! Sorry, Jaxie. Look at how big he is. I'm sorry, Jaxie. I'm over here yelling like a maniac. I'm okay. I saved us both. You're welcome. I've been breaking a sweat trying to kill that thing.
Bring your knees in one at a time and remember to focus on your core and engage those abs.
1, 2, up.
180 degrees burpees are next.
I'm confused.
You want to make
I
sure
thought that
you
was
have a
it.
fitness mat
I was
for
about
the
to
next
say.
exercise.
That's not good. But we got more.
Make sure you're using your abs to lift your chest up, not your neck. Off the floor.
That one was okay. I mean, I'm sweating, but I didn't love that workout. It was alright. Meh. I'm pretty bloated. I shouldn't have ate 2 tacos earlier. She's full. So this last meal I actually got from the same video that I got the blueberry pancakes from, and it was a fail also. And I didn't use the same kind of noodles, but I did pretty much everything else the same, and it was just so dry, didn't have flavor.
Some non-dairy milk. It's kind of like a mac and cheese, and I'm telling you, this is going to become one of your go-to.
Now when she said mac and cheese, she had me excited. I was genuinely looking forward to this dish. I even put some breadcrumbs on top, put it in the oven so I can get a little nice and toasty topping, but that didn't do it. She was flavorless and bland, so I ended up putting some homemade basil pesto sauce in it and stirred it around, and that made it much better. That saved it. I admit it was my fault on the pancakes, but with this one, I don't know where I went wrong. Maybe you'll have better luck than me.